Hello, everyone. Welcome to Simple English Family. Today, we are going to learn something very useful. We will learn how to practice English every day at home. You do not need a school. You do not need a teacher in your house. You can practice English at home alone and get better every day. Before we start, here is today's question. What is one thing you can do every morning to practice English at home? Think about it. The answer is in today's conversation. Write your answer in the comments. Okay, let's begin. Good morning, David.
Good morning, Sarah. You look very happy today.
Yes, I am happy. I started a new habit this week.
Oh, what habit?
Every morning, I talk to myself in English.
Talk to yourself?
Yes. When I wake up, I say, "Good morning. Today is a beautiful day. I am ready to learn."
That is interesting. But why do you talk to yourself?
Because speaking is practice. Even alone, if I speak English, my mouth learns the words.
I never thought about that.
Many people think, I need a partner to practice English, but that is not true.
So you just talk? About anything?
Yes, I talk about my day. I say, slowly, I am going to make coffee. I am going to take a shower. I am going to read today.
That sounds easy.
It is easy, and every day it gets better.
How long do you do this?
Only 5 minutes. Just 5 minutes every morning.
5 minutes is not a long time.
Exactly. Small habits are powerful. Small habits done every day make a big difference.
I want to try this tomorrow morning.
Do it. Start tomorrow. Talk to yourself in the mirror. Say, "Good morning. My name is David. Today I will practice English."
Okay, I will do it. Thank you, Sarah.
You are welcome. David, what do you do in the afternoon? Do you practice English then?
Yes. In the afternoon, I watch English videos on my phone.
Oh, nice. What kind of videos?
Short videos, 5 minutes, 10 minutes, simple English conversations.
That is a great habit. Do you just watch or do you repeat?
I repeat. That is the important part. I watch one sentence, I pause, and I say the same sentence out loud.
Shadowing. That is called shadowing.
Shadowing?
Yes, you copy what the speaker says. You copy the words, the speed, the sounds.
I did not know the name, but yes, I do shadowing every afternoon.
Shadowing is one of the best ways to improve speaking.
I also try to copy the accent, how the speaker says the sounds.
Good. Accent is not so important, but clear pronunciation is important.
Right, people need to understand you.
Exactly. When you do shadowing every day, your pronunciation gets clearer.
I do it for about 15 minutes, sometimes 20.
15 to 20 minutes of shadowing is excellent.
It is also fun. I feel like I am in the conversation.
That is the best way to feel. You are not studying, you are living the language.
Living the language. I like that.
When you enjoy it, you do it every day, and every day you improve. David, do you ever read out loud at home?
Read out loud? You mean say the words while I read?
Yes, read out loud, not just in your head, but with your voice.
I never do that. I always read silently.
Reading out loud is very good for speaking practice.
Really? Why?
Because when you read out loud, your mouth is speaking English. Your ears are hearing English. Your eyes are seeing English.
3 things at the same time.
Exactly. Read out loud, and your brain gets 3 times the practice.
What should I read?
Anything. A short story, a news article, even the subtitles on a TV show.
That is very easy to do.
Yes, you do not need special books. Just open any English text and read it out loud.
How long should I do it?
Start with 5 minutes. Just 5 minutes of reading out loud every day.
And over time, it gets easier?
Yes, your mouth gets used to English sounds. Words that were hard become easy.
I will try this today. I have an English article on my phone.
Perfect. Read it out loud. Slowly. Do not rush.
Slowly. I understand. Slow is better than fast when you are learning.
Slow and clear is much better than fast and unclear.
I will remember that.
You know what helped me a lot? Talking to my family in English.
Your family? Do they speak English?
Not very well, but we tried together.
That sounds fun.
It is. At dinner, we pick one topic, and we try to talk about it in English.
Even simple sentences?
Yes, simple sentences are perfect. How was your day? I was tired. I ate lunch at home.
Short and simple.
Short and simple is how every good conversation starts.
What if someone makes a mistake?
We laugh. Mistakes are okay. Mistakes are how we learn.
I like that idea. No pressure.
Exactly. No pressure, just practice.
I live alone, so I cannot talk to family. What can I do?
You can call a friend, or you can use a language app. Talk to someone online.
There are apps for that?
Yes, many apps. You can find a language partner, someone who wants to learn your language, and you help each other.
Oh, so I teach them my language and they teach me English.
Yes, language exchange, that is what it is called.
Language exchange. That sounds great.
It is free, it is friendly, and you learn real, natural English.
I will search for a language exchange partner tonight.
Good. The most important thing is to speak. Use your voice. Do not only read or listen.
Use your voice. Got it.
David, I want to share one more habit, my evening habit.
What do you do in the evening?
I keep an English journal. Every night, I write 3 sentences in English.
3 sentences? That is not a lot.
That is the point. Just 3 sentences, not 50, not a full page, just 3.
What do you write about?
My day, simple things, like, today I woke up early, I drank coffee, I practiced English for 20 minutes.
That is simple.
Yes, but writing helps your brain organize English. You think in English, you write in English.
And after writing, do you speak it?
Sometimes I read my journal out loud before I sleep.
So you combine writing and speaking.
Yes, writing plus speaking together is very powerful.
I never kept a journal before, but 3 sentences sounds manageable.
Manageable. That means easy enough to do, not too hard.
Manageable. Good word.
If you do 3 sentences every night for 1 month, that is 90 sentences.
90 sentences of English practice just from 3 sentences a night.
Exactly. Small habits, every day, big results.
I am going to start my English journal tonight.
Write your first sentence right now in the comments below. Tell us, what did you do today in English?
Yes, write your English sentence. We want to read it.
We are learning together. That is what simple English family means. Okay, David, let's review. What are the 5 home habits for English speaking?
Okay, first, talk to yourself every morning. Just 5 minutes.
Good. Second,
Second, do shadowing. Watch English videos and repeat what you hear.
Excellent. Third,
Third, read out loud. Take any English text and say the words with your voice.
perfect. Fourth,
Fourth, talk to someone. Family, friend, or language exchange partner. Use real conversations.
and fifth,
Fifth, keep an English journal. 3 sentences every night.
you remembered everything.
These habits are simple. Anyone can do them at home.
Anyone means every person. You do not need to be special. You do not need money. You do not need a school.
Just a small habit, every day, at home.
And the most important thing, do not be afraid of mistakes.
Mistakes are normal. Mistakes are part of learning.
Every expert was once a beginner.
Every expert was once a beginner. I love that.
You are improving. Maybe you cannot see it today, but every day you get a little better.
Trust the process.
Trust the process. Keep going.
Thank you, Sarah. This conversation really helped me.
Thank you, David, and thank you to everyone watching Simple English Family. Amazing! Great job today, everyone. You listened, you repeated, you learned. Do you remember today's question? What is one thing you can do every morning to practice English at home? The answer is talk to yourself in English. Just 5 minutes every morning. Say, "Good morning. Today is a great day. I am going to practice English. It is simple, it is free, and it works." Now, I have a challenge for you. Tonight, write 3 sentences in English in the comments. Tell us about your day. We will read every comment. If you enjoyed today's video, please like it and share it with a friend who is learning English. And subscribe to Simple English Family so you never miss a lesson. See you in the next video. Keep practicing, keep speaking. You are doing great.